This is Arabic Easy for All A1.1 Arabic courses. Lesson 15, the simple future tense. In English, the simple future tense, as we all know, is used to talk about things haven't happened yet, but will happen in the future. It is typically the same definition in Arabic that is called المستقبل, future. How to form the simple future tense? We have in fact two ways to do so. 1. When the simple future tense is near. To express near future tense in Arabic, we use the word سوف, which is the equivalent in English to will or shall. As an example, we say سوف أتعلم اللغة العربية. 2. Simple future tense which is for, or let us say for future or future for planifications. To express for future or future for planifications in Arabic, we use sa, which is the equivalent in English to be plus going to. As in the example, سأسافر في عطلة الصيف. In A1.1 lesson 15, we learned about the simple future tense. In lesson 16, we will, inshallah, learn about types of sentences using simple future tense. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.